everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to change phone number in Facebook. So for that, first of all, you open the Facebook application and then get logged in into your account. Once you open the Facebook, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap that. From there you need to tap on setting and privacy. Inside setting and privacy, tap on setting at the top. Inside setting and privacy, you look for the account, and inside personal and account information part, tap on personal and account information. Here you will have your Facebook information. There you tap on contact info. There's a phone number registered for this Facebook account currently, so I need to change this number to a different one. For that, you tap on that number. Then you need to tap on remove. Are you sure you want to remove -- from your account? You tap on I understand, then tap on remove number. To make these changes, you need to provide your Facebook password. Tap on remove phone. You can see the number has been removed from your Facebook account. Now for you to change it, what you need to do is tap on add phone number. Now type in the phone number that you want to update for your Facebook. Type in that number, then tap on continue, confirming your phone number. Now a phone number will be sent to your Facebook account. Once you receive that number, you will be automatically confirming your phone number. And there you can see the number has been added to your account. You tap on close and there's the new number that you have updated for your Facebook. So this is how you can change your Facebook phone number. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.